Welcome to the Canva for Beginners tutorial. If you're looking to create stunning designs without the need for complex software, you're in the right place. Before we jump into designing, let's get familiar with the Canva homepage. Here you'll find all the tools and resources you need to bring your ideas to life. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various design options, including social media posts, presentations, logos, and more. Let's start by creating a social media post. Click on the social media category and you'll be presented with a wide range of pre-designed templates. Canva offers an extensive library of templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Take your time to browse through the options and find the perfect one for your project. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to the Canva design interface. Here you have access to a variety of tools and features to personalize your design. The toolbar on the left provides options for adding elements like text, images, shapes, and more. You can also change the background, apply filters, and adjust the layout. To customize text, simply click on a text element and start typing. You can change the font size, color, and alignment to match your style and branding. Canva allows you to upload your own images or choose from their extensive library of stock photos. Just click on Uploads or Photos to access these options. Once you've added an image, you can resize, crop, and apply filters to enhance its appearance and make it fit seamlessly into your design. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share or download it. Canva provides several options, including sharing directly to social media platforms or downloading in various file formats. Choose the option that suits your needs, and your design is ready to be shared with the world. That wraps up our quick introduction to Canva. With its user-friendly interface and vast array of design options, you'll be creating professional-looking designs in no time. Join me in the next coming tutorials as we delve deeper into Canva's advanced features and explore tips and tricks to take your designs to the next level. Thank you!